Imagine this. You've just bought your dream luxury car. The leather still smells new. The engine purrs like confidence itself. But the warranty quietly expires. And suddenly, every mile feels like a gamble. Most people panic at this moment because they know one simple truth. When a luxury car breaks, it doesn't just break, it destroys your wallet. But here's the part almost no one realizes. A rare group of luxury cars exists, machines engineered so precisely, so intelligently, that even after the warranty dies, these cars keep running like they're invincible. Cars that don't age, they mature. Cars that don't drain your money, they protect it. And the industry hates when you know this. Because when you choose a luxury car that stays reliable after the warranty, you stop paying for constant repairs, surprise breakdowns, and overpriced dealership services. You stop being controlled by the brand and start controlling your ownership. Today, you and I are stepping into that hidden list. The 12 luxury cars that are so reliable, so tested, so bulletproof. Owning them after the warranty isn't a risk, it's a strategy. And once you hear this list, you'll realize something uncomfortable yet powerful. The car you choose doesn't just reflect your taste, it reflects your intelligence. Let's begin. 1. Lexus LS. The Lexus LS is the king of post-warranty luxury. Its V6 engine and legendary Toyota engineering mean almost no unexpected failures. Owners routinely report these sedans crossing 300,000 kilometers with nothing but fluid changes. It delivers pure luxury without the financial fear most German sedans come with. 2. Lexus ES. The ES is basically a luxury tank disguised as a calm sedan. Smooth ride, reliable engine, simple mechanics. This car almost refuses to break. Perfect for people who want a premium feel without expensive surprises. After warranty, it becomes one of the safest purchases in the entire luxury market. 3. Lexus RX. The RX proves that a luxurious SUV can also be nearly bulletproof. Its hybrid options are long-lasting, the transmission is trouble-free, and maintenance stays predictable even after 8 to 10 years. This is one of the few luxury SUVs people confidently keep for over a decade. 4. Toyota Land Cruiser, luxury segment. It's luxury mixed with military-grade durability. The Land Cruiser barely knows what breakdown means. Even after the warranty, this SUV handles rough roads, long trips, and heavy loads with zero drama. It's built for people who value reliability over flashy technology. 5. Acura MDX. The MDX is a hidden luxury gem. Its V6 engine and Honda roots make it extremely dependable. Electronics are simple, parts are affordable, and the SUV ages gracefully. After warranty, it behaves like a trustworthy partner, not like a needy, high-maintenance German SUV. 6. Acura TLX. This sedan blends performance with reliability in a way German sports sedans rarely can. The TLX offers sharp handling, predictable maintenance, and long-lasting components. It's perfect for drivers who want luxury that doesn't punish them financially after year 5. 7. Infiniti Q50. The Q50 delivers strong performance without the usual luxury car fragility. The 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 is surprisingly durable, and the car avoids the high-tech faults that plague European rivals. After warranty, it stays fast, smooth, and dependable. 8. Infiniti QX60. This is one of the few luxury family SUVs you can trust for the long run. Its engine and transmission have proven reliable, and repairs are far cheaper than German competitors. If you want three-row luxury without fear, the QX60 is a top choice. 9. Volvo XC90. The XC90 offers Scandinavian luxury with a reputation for long life. While packed with features, it's engineered with simplicity and longevity in mind. Even after the warranty expires, most owners experience stable performance, low failure rates, and great safety. 10. Genesis G80. Genesis changed the game with the G80. Luxury, performance, and reliability all in one. Even after the warranty, it holds up exceptionally well because of high-quality components and smart engineering. It's a premium sedan that ages far better than most European competitors. 11. Genesis GV80. This luxury SUV is built with durability as a priority. Its engines are strong, electronics well-tested, and interior quality remains solid for years. After warranty, it continues to offer a smooth, trouble-free driving experience, rare for a modern luxury SUV. 12. Mercedes-Benz E-Class W213. The W213 E-Class is one of the last truly reliable Mercedes models. Its engines and transmissions are proven, and its electronics are far less problematic than newer models. If you want German luxury that won't destroy your wallet after warranty, the W213 E-Class is the safe bet. So now you've seen the truth, the luxury cars that stay loyal even after the warranty walks away. But let me ask you something, because this is where the debate begins.